Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on managerial communication. The question is, any tips on documentation? Over the years, I've been exposed to a variety of performance appraisal systems. Some were hard copies with pen and paper, and some were software-based. Some simple, some complex, some with numbers, some with letters, and some with words. Any tips on documentation? Well, no matter the format, review the employee's prior year's performance appraisals before attempting to draft a new one. Performance reviews are absolute, not relative. Compare performance to an objective standard, not other employees. Whenever possible, shift the responsibility for evaluating performance back to them. How would you grade yourself on your work quality, reliability, interpersonal communication, or technical skills? Avoid the term attitude. Instead, be sure to describe the objective behaviors that create a negative perception of the employee. Provide dates, times, places, people describing when they lost their temper or used profane language or raised their voice in anger. So use the phrase "for example" regularly throughout the performance appraisal. You should keep track of and mention the efforts you've made to help the employee meet performance standards throughout the review period. Maybe when you gave the employee a copy of the attendance policy or paid for their attendance at a workshop on dealing with interpersonal conflict, or encouraged them to take an accounting class. When documenting core competencies or technical issues, expand your basic ideas by employing a by format, such as by upgrading their software skills, or by attending an educational workshop, or by participating in their professional association. When documenting future development goals, consider strengthening the clarity of your message by applying the "I expect you to" by format, such as "I expect you to improve client relationship skills by following up within 24 hours, or scheduling monthly meetings with them and emailing weekly status updates of their work orders. I like the idea of employees evaluating their own performance in spots. Specific dates, times, people, and places of observed behavior is good too. I think whatever I prepare will be double-spaced, so I have room for notes. Thank you for watching this video blog on managerial communication. So the question was, any tips on documentation? Be prepared, allow the employee to participate, plan for the future. Performance appraisals need to be focused more on the future than the past. Describe the behaviors that will support their successful future. Check back to Welchlin.com every Monday for a new video blog.